Alright, in this video I wanted to show you how agile the laser is, because it can actually go around corners, around curvatures, get into tight spots that, you know, again, a sander or a sandblaster or using a wire wheel just can't accomplish. Especially when we, you know, because this is the cap that goes on the top of the pagoda. So it's very unique, especially when I flip this up on its side and start to clean the interior of it. There's no way that you can do that with a sander or a wire wheel. It's never going to happen, especially if you try to use a sandblaster on the inside of this thing. You're going to get a lot of sand coming back at you. So here again we are using about 300 watts. We are using the Celtic cross pattern, which seems to be my favorite. You know, we're just lightly hitting it. Again, we're going really slow so that you guys can see how this works. Normally we'd go much faster, but we wanted to slow down the process so that you folks could understand how this works and how gentle we are with art pieces and especially antiques and woodwork and plastics and, you know, claymation and stuff like that. Any type of vases or statues, we're real gentle with it. Yeah. And now I'm going to flip it here on the inside. I do come back later on and clean up the outer areas that I missed. But I want to show you the real power of the laser and its extension on how we can clean the impossible areas that normal, typical machinery and labor just can't clean. This probably would have taken somebody all day to clean if they were doing it by hand with a sander or a wire wheel. Just this small piece. And so now we're reaching here on the inside, and it's a matter of just you know, just rolling it. Now I do have my gloves on because at this point this is a smaller piece. It's getting a little bit hot. We can control it to where it's more gentle, to where it does not get hot, and that's actually what I'm doing now. Is I changed my settings over to where the laser's not so hot, and I can handle it a little bit better. Even because I have my gloves on, it's still going to get a little hot. And you can see I could reach right down into the dome and just clean the top of it. Not a problem. You definitely could not do that with any other machinery. Yeah, it's really getting hot, and so that's why I have to ease off of it a little bit. I'll lower my settings again, and I do come back to it later on and clean up the areas you saw that were missed there. Again, I just wanted to do this for the video, and here it is. All the rust is gone completely. Hope you enjoyed that. See you in the next video.